Pre-cooked bagged foods should be fully thawed prior to reheating in the steamer or boiling water to reduce cooking time and improve quality. Heat pre-cooked prepared foods to a minimum internal temperature of 135 degrees Fahrenheit or above, and check temperature by placing 2 bags together to avoid puncturing the plastic. Pre-cooked hamburger patties may be shingled on a sheet pan and cooked in the oven. Thin-tipped thermometers should be used for foods less than a ½ inch thick. Some frozen foods are best cooked from the frozen state, such as breaded chicken products, French fries, and fish sticks. No matter the cooking method, commercially prepared, ready-to-eat hot foods only need to be heated to an internal temperature of 135 to 145 degrees Fahrenheit, rather than 165. This will prevent dry, poor-quality burgers and patties.